Why so dressed up, Kelly? I mean, why so fancy pants? Because you guys, I have fancy pants hair. Hello. When you get dressed up, you want fancy pants hair. Or if you're in your pajamas, you still want fancy pants hair because hello, who's getting dressed up anymore? Except to go into your basement to work. Seriously, you guys, thank you for watching. I am Kelly Page, the lifestyle blogger, blue gray gal, here to talk to you about the cool, super cool convertible collection from T3 Micro. We're talking seriously cool stuff. All right, here's the story. First of all, let me introduce you to the box. I just think the box is cute. I'm like big on packaging. Can you guys see the box? Really fun. Okay, so you get T3 Micro. All these little guys. T3 Micro is a really high-end luxury brand of hair tools. The idea is that you don't want to overheat your hair. In fact, when you heat your hair too much, not only will it fall off, which I've experienced by using, oops. T3 Micro gives you a convertible base plus 3 different attachments. Let me make sure it's not upside down, Kelly. Get it straight, because otherwise you'll burn your hand when you curl your stuff. The convertible base locks and unlocks. You scoot this over, pull it off, and then you can change the base. One of the reasons it's so cool is, you guys, it'll save space in your makeup bathroom area. Because really, who doesn't need more space? Buy one convertible base, customize and buy exactly how you like to do your hair with the attachments. Voila, your own custom hairstylist. All you do is attach it, lock it again, and then you're ready to curl. In this collection, you get loose waves, you get tousled waves, and you get undone waves. My hair is done with undone waves because that's how I'm feeling lately. Totally undone. They also have curling irons if you would rather a curl or the wand. Some of the attachments they have are for defined curls, loose curls, cascading curls, undone curls, all the curls. Okay, T3 Micro, not cheap. Here's why. You actually get what you pay for. In normal hot tools, you're gonna have hot spots. Some areas, even if you set the temperature, will be, let's say, 325, then this might be 375, this might be 300, and this might be 425. Because the technology in the T3 Micro is so good, you're gonna have a consistent heat through the entire barrel. This means you don't have to overdo your hair styling. Your hair will actually have the right amount of heat, the perfect amount of consistency, and you won't burn and fry your hair. Not only that, but your curls will last longer because it's all heated to the exact temperature it should be. Think of it as perfect temperature equals perfectly lasting curls. On guard. T3 Micro, you guys. So good. They have it. T3 Micro. You guys, I'm Kelly Page, blogger, blue gray gal. See you guys next time. Happy Har Day.